Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by measuring the raw numbers. Capture the original file size and the compressed file size in bytes or MB. Once done, apply the basic formula compression ratio equals original divided by compressed, because that gives a direct multiplicative factor. Make sure to subtract container or metadata only if you want payload ratio. Otherwise, include full file sizes for practical comparison. Keep units consistent and write both values down so you can compute and verify the ratio precisely. Once you have consistent units, perform the arithmetic step by step. Divide original by compressed to get the numeric compression ratio. Then compute percent reduction by doing 1 minus compressed over original, multiply by 100 to get percent. This clarifies savings. Make sure to round to 2 decimals for reporting and label whether you report factor or percent. If comparing algorithms, compute both metrics for each file so you can sort by effective savings rather than just raw factor. To finish, interpret the numbers. A higher ratio means stronger compression, while percent reduction shows actual space saved. Choose the metric that fits your goal. Then verify by decompressing samples to confirm integrity or acceptable loss, because numbers alone can be misleading. If values look wrong, recheck unit conversions, whether you included headers or metadata, and rounding errors. These are the usual culprits. If a single check fails, recompute with raw bytes, and you'll find the discrepancy quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.